Hey, that thing says I'm alive, folks. I'll believe it if I can see it. Anyway, I'm going to set up this piece of wood on the machine to get it ready to cut. And I thought I'd show y'all a little bit about how we go about doing that. So here, hang on with me and let's watch this happen. Oh, I forgot. Welcome to the Frugal Fixer Shop. I'm so happy to have you here today. I'll do a few things around the shop here. First of all, we're going to get this machine set up. So after we get it set up, I'll be back a little later to do some other projects. But I got a couple of tips on this for y'all guys that's setting up on the machine. And it's a couple of things I've learned along the way I want to share with a couple people. So let's get this figured out right quick, okay? So let me bring you in a little closer here on the machine, what we got going here. Now, I don't know if they're a little tight over this laptop's a little tight to get in here, guys. I'm sorry, but I'm getting better at this. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see or not. I hope you can. But this table is cut down here. I've got a 1/2 inch lip down in the table to get the wood down inside the table so it doesn't move, you know, when I put it in the table. So what I'm going to do is I've got 3 strips of regular old masking right here. And I put 3 strips on the back of this piece of ambrosia wood. Okay, we got ambrosia maple on this side, and we're going to turn it over and we're going to machine this side first, which is the cherry side. We're going to start over there and work our way back. So we're going to set it up right here like this. And what I'm going to do is I've got some super glue. I'm going to run a bead of super glue on each one of these. And then I'm going to take that block and slide it and put it right in place where I want it and let it set up for a little while so we can go back to putting it together. Go to cutting it in a little bit here. So let's see if I can get the lid off this super glue right quick. It feels like it's on there really tight. Gracious, good. Yep, it was on there pretty tight, guys. So anyway, I'm going to take this super glue and I'm just going to get over here and I'm just going to put me a bead on each one of these here pieces of tape. I need to get me another bottle of super glue, that's for sure, because I'm just about out. I'm going to go to the store after a while, pick some up. I'm going to get one of them big bottles when I go back, though, that's for sure. I ain't getting one of them little ones, I'm getting a big one. Heck, I'm almost out. This is really thick too. I need the thin stuff. I need to get this thin stuff to do this with, guys. Okay, we got that on there. So what we're going to do next, we're going to take this block. We're going to butt it right back in this corner where it goes. And go right there and go right there and just. Okay, we got it down on the table. We're going to leave it there a little while, let it set up good, and get a good grab to the table. And then we're going to start our operations right here on the back of this piece of cherry. First thing we'll do is we'll fly cut the back and make it real nice and flat. And then once we get done with that, we will take and put, let me see. Let's face the back of it where the guitar is going to be. And then after we face the back of it, we'll cut the control cavity and all that in it and get all the stuff in the back operations done. And then after that, get all that done, we'll take it out, flip it over, line it back up on our marks, and put it back in place. So first thing I got to do is set up my pins program that'll drill holes here and here to hold this thing on the table. So we got to get that done. So I'm going to get on out of the way, come back later on. I just wanted to share a couple things about what I got going on here. So, hey, come by the Fixer Shop anytime, the Frugal Fixer Shop, and we'll show you how we're going to do something and make it happen. So later on, I got a big old 9-foot piece of 10-inch wide, 2.5 inch, almost 3-inch thick maple that I need to cut up in pieces to make guitars out of. So I need some of it in body sizes and some of it in neck sizes. And heck, I might even cut some in sizes to make guitar stands out of. You just never know around here. So anyway, hey, I got to get on out here. How you doing, Stan? What you up to today, buddy? Won't you come visit me? Just come over and hang out in the shop. I mean, I'll give you something to do. Hey, yeah, really? We'll find something to do in this shop. They always got something, man. So anyway, hey, everybody hang loose. I'm going to get on out of here. I got a lot of things going. Yeah, Stan, you can laugh all you want. I'm funnier than you are. Ha ha. No, I'm just joking. Hey, come see me, guys. I appreciate everybody. And you know what happened when it gets dusty? Just let it dry and dust it off, because that's all you can do around this place now. It's done got way out of hand. Hey, thank you all for coming by. And I'll pop in again a little bit. They're going to be a pretty regular thing from now on the old Fox Frugal, on the Frugal Fixer channel here. Yep, I'll get it all out in the mix. It's been a long day. Hey, y'all be good.